Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the hood on Mercedes. We'll demonstrate on CLK, but many models will be about the same procedure, especially the E-Class, I think, that generation. Stay with us, guys, we'll cover the whole procedure. You can check out our website, Mechanic Lifestyle, for links for tools and parts if you need them to Amazon. So, what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to go down on the hood a little bit, press that thing here, all the way to the back, and lift up. We'll be in service position that way. Check it out how much room we have. Now we will need to disconnect the hoses. Those are for the windshield wipers, okay? So there is one wire that we'll disconnect for the heated nozzles, okay? And this one has just two things that you need to press in and pull at the same time. Those are not too easy, to be honest with you. But eventually it will come out. Okay, it's almost there now. Just you need to work your way around it, one side and the other. Okay, and you can see it came out. It's pretty good connection actually there, so we can leave that on the hood now. Next thing is the hoses. So we need to grab those, you pull them straight out, don't twist, okay, like that. So we can disconnect them, one on this side here, okay, perfect. And now we can gently start removing those. Okay, you can see if it's really tight spot, what you can do actually remove all the wires as well, so it can help. We have a three-way here. Okay, perfect. It's more fun putting those in because you have to mess with it quite a bit, to be honest with you. Now we'll need to disconnect one more wire, and this wire is for heating the hoses. That's another heater. Just the way that thing was invented is amazing. It's designed really good, so your windshield wipers don't freeze after you drive for a while. Okay, perfect now. Alright guys, next, wait a minute, we're gonna show you how to do it. We have 3 bolts on this side with 10mm, 3 on the other side as well. We let the hood down like that. I'm gonna set the camera still so we can show you how to do that now. So with that 10mm, 2 people hold the hood. Okay, we'll remove the 3 bolts on each side. Okay, it already dropped. Okay. This one is holding a little bit here. Okay guys, and the hood is out, as you can see. Not very complicated at all. It will be easier to remove it, guys, if the hood is all the way straight up in service positions. We realized that. Good thing you watch the video until the end, because this shock will go all the way up. You can see it shoot it pretty high, so you don't want to damage the hood or hurt yourself. Or the other thing is to remove that strut as well. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.